is Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at an absolutely stunning 1971 Chevrolet Camaro Super Sport killer car, guys. 2,700 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Great car. I've actually owned this car now twice. Originally bought the car, traded the car out to a guy in Ohio who had it for a little while, and then I actually just sold it here this past winter to a local guy. Paul's a great guy, but this car was too much for him. And I will tell you guys, this gets my disclaimer. This thing rocks. This thing's fast. If you're looking for horsepower, you're gonna love this car. If you're a guy that more wants just to kind of putz around town, this is not the car for you. This car absolutely rocks. It's probably close to 600 horse. Gorgeous Mulsanne blue paint. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick on it. They've added the split bumper on it. Again, beautiful Mulsanne blue metallic. It's the original color combination. Other than a couple little touch-up marks, that's all you're gonna find. Killer car. Glass is nice. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. And it is just a blast to drive. I mean, this thing rocks. All new interior. It's got the SS rear spoiler. New chrome. That's just a little dust in there, guys, that we missed. Nice and straight down the sides. Those are 17-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Those are 17 by 10 rears. Got Nitto rubber. Car sits good. Got killer sound. It's just a little dust. It's a fun car right here, man. It's got Wilwood front wheel disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors in it. I've got all the information too for the internals on this. I'll make sure it gets in the ad. But it's a 468 aluminum headed big block in there. You can see Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock aluminum heads. It's got TRW 9.5 to 1 piston. It's got forged internals. It also has Detroit Speed tubular front suspension. You can see that. Power steering, again, power front disc brakes. It's a 400 turbohydramatic transmission. A real nice set of finned aluminum valve covers. It is an MSD ignition. The box is inside the car. Aluminum radiator. Very nice car. Now you can see big tube headers on it. It's got QA1 four-corner shocks on it, sway bars, polyurethane bushings. And this thing is killer, man. A lot of money spent on this car, guys. Cowl hood. Chrome mirrors, that's just a bug there. Door handles are nice, you can kick those a little bit. Door seams are nice and clean. Again, this is all new interior. Stock black interior. It's got a tilt column in it. Bucket seat, center console. It's got the sports tilt column with a sports steering wheel. 2787 on your odometer. You can see they've definitely redone that, the gauge cluster in there. That's a Retrosounds radio. It looks like a factory one, but it's actually a Retrosounds. Dash pad is really nice. It's got a good sound and dual exhaust system. It's a 12 bolt. I think this is a Tru-Trac Eaton Posi in there. 373 gears. I think it's got Moser axles. I'll make sure I get that in there too. He's got the, it's pretty cool. He's got the sprocket on there, the gas shock. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Fit and finish on the car is very nice. It's turn the key, take it right to the car show. It's got all LED tail lights in it. Again, very nice. It's just got a polished tank. New sill plates, new carpet. Seats have been all redone, repadded, refoamed. Nice, nice car right here. Console's in great shape. Does run on pump gas. That's a killer car. Gauges are all functional. Tach works. Aftermarket oil pressure over there. You can see it's holding great oil pressure. All LED, all the lights work. See how quick it gets its R's. Radio works, blower motor works. Wipers are functional. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.